Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology Tutorials. Today, now we are going to discuss prokaryotic cell. First of all, what is the meaning of prokaryotic cell? The prokaryotic cell is made up of two words. Pro means primitive, karyons means nucleus. In this group of the organism, in this cell, primitive nucleus are present. First of all, what is the general characteristics or properties of prokaryotic cell? All the prokaryotic cells are unicellular, microscopic in nature. You cannot see with the naked eye, you can see only with the help of microscope. Nuclear membranes are totally absent. This is the first characteristics of the prokaryotic cell. After that, this is the second characteristics. Membrane bound cell organelles are totally absent. In case of prokaryotic cell, some cell organelles mentioned in here: endoplasmic reticulums, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, etc. absent in the prokaryotic cell. And the faster growing than the eukaryotes. It means they can multiply very faster in comparison to the eukaryote. Within 20 minutes they can multiply or double. Circular DNA, single DNA and circular DNA, double stranded DNA without histone proteins. This is the another property of the prokaryotic cells. And some organisms, they are belonging to the prokaryotic cell. First is the bacteria, second is the blue-green algae, and third is the mycoplasma. Now, we are discuss detail one by one of prokaryotic cell. First, here is the structure of the prokaryotic cell. The first component or first structure of the prokaryotic cell is what? Cell envelope. Cell envelope. In prokaryotic cell, in case of bacteria, there are three basic layers of cell layer. First is glycocalyx. Glycocalyx, here is the outer layer of the bacteria. Is the diagrams of the bacteria. This is the outer layer or outer envelope of the bacteria is known as glycocalyx. Glycocalyx, it is coating with mucus or polysaccharide. Coated with mucus or polysaccharides से ये कवर होता है. And what is the function of the glycocalyx? The first function is protection of cell, and second adhesion to other. This is the two important function of the glycocalyx. Glycocalyx is the outer layer of the cell envelope. This is the second layer, is known as cell wall. Cell wall is rigid, made up of peptidoglycans made up of peptidoglycans or murines. But in case of archaebacteria, means all the eubacteria or true bacteria, the cell wall contains peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan means peptides, protein plus carbohydrate, both are joined with each other to form a cell wall. But in case of archaebacteria, the cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycans. And after that, what is the function of the cell wall? The first function, maintain the shape, maintain the shape, maintain the shape. And second important function, allow to transport in or out of the cell, of the cells. मतलब ये क्या करता है, अलाउ टू ट्रांसपोर्ट इन और आउट ऑफ द सेल ऑफ मटेरियल्स. वह ट्रांसपोर्ट किसका कर रहा है, मटेरियल्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वन साइंटिस्ट क्रिश्चियन ग्राम, this is the name of the scientist, Christian Graham developed a stain, and this stain is known as Gram stain. On the basis of Gram stain, there are two types of bacteria found in the natures. The first, इन्होंने एक स्टेन डेवलप किया, and this stain is known as Gram stain. The Gram stain, it is the very important role for cell wall leveling. सेल वॉल को ये लेबल करता है, कोट मतलब कलर जो करता है. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर ग्राम स्टेन, देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर्स. फर्स्ट इज ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया एंड ग्राम निगेटिव बैक्टीरिया. द ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया मीन्स होता है कि ऐसी बैक्टीरिया जो ग्राम स्टेन को लेता है, लेवल करता है, दैट इज नोन एज ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया. और जो ग्राम स्टेन को नहीं डिपॉजिट करता, सेल वॉल के ऊपर लेवल नहीं कर पाता, दैट इज नोन एज ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया. इट मीन्स द ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया, इसकी जो सेल वॉल थिक एंड एक स्पेशल chemicals present on the wall, that is known as teichoic acid. Teichoic acids are present. Teichoic acids यहाँ पर present होती है, but in here teichoic acid absent. In here teichoic acids absent. इसका तो teichoic acids play a very important role to staining gram. This is the very important role. So there are two type of bacteria, gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The gram positive bacteria contains teichoic acid and the gram negative bacteria do not contains teichoic acid. And the third layer of the cell envelope, that is known as third layer of cell envelope, that is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. Thin, semi permeable in nature and interact with outwards of the environment of the cell. Outward in the cell membrane, in the some regions they are invaginated to form special structures that is known as mesosomes. Here is the structure of mesosomes. Mesosome. Invagination of plasma membrane. Invagination of plasma membrane. ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के इन्वेजिनेशन से फॉर्म होता है. एंड व्हाट इज द रोल एंड ऑफ द मेसोसोम्स? द मेनी रोल्स ऑफ द मेसोसोम. फर्स्ट रोल is respiration, help in respiration. Second role, second function, it help in DNA replication, help in DNA replication and distribution of DNA in daughter cell. And another properties of the mesosome, say here is the nucleoids or DNA attached. मतलब जो nucleoids attach to mesosomes. तो mesosome is nothing. Mesosome is a specialized or invaginated form of the plasma membrane. They perform various type of function. The first is known as respiration. Second is known as DNA replication and distribution of the chromosomes or DNA to the daughter cell at the time of cell division. And the third, that all the genetic materials, ये जो genetic materials होता है, that is known as nucleoids, attach with the mesosomes में attach में भी help करता है. And next, ये तो first cell envelopes are totally finished. It contains 3 layers. First is the glycocalyx, second is the cell wall, and third is known as cell membrane. So here is the glycocalyx, cell wall and cell membranes. And second, that is known as flagellum or flagella. In the some bacteria, not all bacteria, some bacteria motile in nature, okay, presence of flagellum, presence of flagellum. मतलब इस flagellum के help से they can move from one place to another place. Here is the elongated structures and long structure, that is known as flagella or flagellums. The flagellum is made up of protein, and this protein is known as flagellin protein. And it consists 3 parts: filaments. This is the first part. Second part is known as hooks, and third part is known as basal bodies. अगर आप देखोगे, if you cut the section of the flagella having 3 important structures on the जहाँ से attach होते हैं, this part is known as basal bodies. After that, small area which are present in there, that is known as hooks. ये hooks होगी. And here the elongated structure, long structure, that is known as filament. So what is the function of the flagellum? In case of bacteria, it is main important role for movement. तो ये flagella था कि आपने देखा कि the some bacteria, they are motile in nature, is contains flagella. The flagella contains a special type of protein that is known as flagellin protein. And if you cut the section of the flagella having 3 important parts of the flagellum or flagella, This is the first part is known as filaments, second part is known as hooks, and third part is known as basal bodies. And what is the function? The main function is movement or locomotion from one place to another place. Next, third is pili. Third is pili. Third is pili. Here is the single L present in here. Pili. They are present on the surface, surface of bacteria. They are longer than fimbriae. Longer than fimbriae. Here is the structure of the pili. It is longer than the fimbriae. What is the role? What is the function of the pili? Help in mating process. The fourth, that is known as fimbriae. What is the fimbriae? Fimbriae, this is small bristle-like structures present on the surface of the bacteria. Here is the small bristle-like structures. They are present on the surface of the bacteria. That is known as fimbriae. अभी बात आती है कि what is the function of the fimbriae in bacteria? Help in attachment. ये इनका main function of the fimbriae for attachment. Help in attaching the bacteria to rock in stream, as well as help in attaching the bacteria to the host tissue. This is the main function of the fimbriae. So fimbriae, they are present on the outer side, say a surface, where they are present on the surface of the bacteria. They are a small bristle-like structures. And the fifth importance points of the prokaryotic cell is known as ribosomes. Ribosome is the non-membranous. Ribosome is a type of non-membranous cell organelles. 70 years type of ribosomes present in prokaryotic cells, having two subunits, 30 years and 50 years. 30 years subunit is known as small subunit, and 50 years is known as large subunit. And both the subunits, they are joined with each other to form 70 years ribosomes with the presence of magnesium ions. And what is the role of the ribosome? Is the main role of the ribosome is known as protein synthesis. Inside the cytoplasmic area, here the polyribosomes are present. If many ribosomes, अगर कई भी ribosomes, they are attached on the mRNA strands. अगर इसके ऊपर here is the mRNA strand, here is the ribosomes. If the many ribosome, they are attached on the mRNA strand, so this phenomena and this structure is known as polyribosome. What is the function? The function of the polyribosome is same, that is known as protein synthesis. Means जब सेल को ज़्यादा प्रोटीन बनाने की ज़रूरत होती है, इस समय मेनी राइबोसोम्स mRNA स्ट्रैंड्स पर बाइंड होते हैं और बाइंड होने के बाद और प्रोटीन बनाने की जो स्पीड है उसको फास्ट कर देते हैं. And the next points, inclusion bodies. inclusions bodies, inclusion bodies, like 6 points. Various type of reserve food materials. This is the reserve food materials present inside the cytoplasms. इस साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज इंक्लूजन बॉडी. दैट इज नोन एज inclusion body. Various type of inclusion bodies are present. Phosphate, various type of granules are present. Granules is also inclusion body. Phosphate granules, various type of granules are present. Synophysian granules, glycogen granules, Synophysian granules. There are various type of granules. They are present in the cytoplasmic area which contains the reserve food materials. Phosphate, glycogen or synophysi, they are belonging to the starchy like substances are present in there. And the next point is known as nucleoids. Here the various type of granules present in there. And 7th is nucleoids. DNA और genetic material present in specific area is known as nucleoids. इसी को हम न्यूक्लियोइड्स का नाम देते हैं. व्हाट इज द न्यूक्लियोइड? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोइड? व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोइड्स? न्यूक्लियोइड कंटेन्स सर्कुलर DNA without histone protein, without histone protein. मतलब ये सर्कुलर DNA होता है, इसमें कोई भी हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स नहीं इसके साथ अटैच होती है. इट कैरी द इंफॉर्मेशन, जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन को कैरी, जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन कैरी फ्रॉम दिस DNA. दैट इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियोइड्स. तो न्यूक्लियोइड्स प्रेजेंट इन हियर, दे आर अटैच्ड विद द राइबोसोम. दिस इज द सर्कुलर एंड डबल स्टैंडर्ड DNA and this portion is known as nucleoids. And this is the last content of the prokaryotic cell, a last point of the prokaryotic cell, that is known as plasmid. Plasmid is what? Plasmid here is the extra, that is known as plasmid. Here is the plasmid, extra chromosomal double stranded DNA is known as plasmid. इसी को हम बोलते हैं plasmid. What is the role? What is the function? इसके functions क्या होंगे? नंबर 1, एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस प्रॉपर्टी. एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस प्रॉपर्टीज. Second is important role for fertility of the bacteria, and third important role is a type of agents का काम करेगा gene transfer, help in gene transfer and gene cloning. तो ये एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोमल पार्ट ऑफ द DNA, दैट इज नोन एज प्लाज्मिड. देयर इज नो एनी रोल ऑफ दिस प्लाज्मिड इन द बैक्टीरिया, बट प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल्स. आपने देखा कि इट कंटेन्स एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस प्रॉपर्टी. विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लाज्मिड, वेरियस टाइप ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक मेडिसिन्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड वेरी इजीली, as well as maintain the fertility of the plasmid रिप्रोडक्टिव एबिलिटी फर्टिलिटी में इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, एज वेल एज हेल्प इन जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग। तो इस तरह से यहीं पर प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स फिनिश होता है। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे ऑल ऑफ यू।